Sustainable recovery also means that food security must be high on the agenda. And this entails a robust agricultural policy. We must improve farm roads, irrigation systems, and storage systems. We must encourage greater flows of capital into agro-processing. We must assist exporters to penetrate new markets and protect our valuable brands. We must incentivize productive relationships between well-capitalized mother facilities and small farmers to improve their production techniques, to transfer technology, and to generally support their development. Madam Speaker, farmers need greater protection from the ravages of the two-foot puss, the predial larcenist. The next PNP government will significantly stiffen the penalties for large-scale predial larceny and bring that offence under the Proceeds of Crime Act so that the profits that are made from robbing our farmers can be taken from the criminals and used to compensate those farmers. Last year, the minister told us here that he was considering issuing permits for imported chicken parts from subsidized producers overseas. And that would have unleashed unfair competition against the local industry and threatened the livelihoods of many thousands of backyard farmers. Experience has taught Jamaica the hard way that undermining local producers is not a good policy. Therefore, we spoke out against it, and happily it seems not to have been pursued. More recently, we heard about the importation of non-compliant rice by a politically connected importer, which was initially detained by the Bureau of Standards, but then hastily released onto the local market. Clearly, the protocols and procedures governing basic food imports require an overhaul and must be placed on a transparent footing to minimize the possibilities for corruption. This is a commitment from the new PNP government as we move the country in a new direction.